Are you struggling with a frustrating error while deploying your Node.js app to AWS Elastic Beanstalk? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle the cannot find module error that many developers face. I totally get how annoying it is when everything seems set up correctly, but you still hit a wall. This error can feel like a major roadblock, especially when you have all your dependencies listed in your package.json file. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user recently asked, "Why am I getting a cannot find module error when deploying my Node.js app?" They mentioned that their app is listening on port 8D81 through an Nginx proxy, but they still encounter this error. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this error? The cannot find module message usually indicates that Node.js can't locate the specified file or module. This can happen due to incorrect file paths, missing files, or even case sensitivity issues on different operating systems. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that can help you avoid this error in the future. To resolve the error the user is encountering, we will first check the file structure of the application. It's important to ensure that the module/routes data is located in the correct directory. Next, the user should verify the import statement in the routes.js file. The path should correctly point to the FEC data module. If the file is named differently or located in a different folder, this could cause the error. Additionally, the user should check for any typos in the file name or the require statement. File names are case-sensitive in many environments, including AWS. Finally, the user should ensure that all dependencies are installed correctly. They can do this by running the command to install the dependencies listed in the package.json file. Fun fact, did you know that Node.js was originally created to help developers build scalable network applications? It's come a long way since then, but these little errors can still trip us up. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user highlights the importance of matching the case and file names. They discovered that their file was named fetcdata.js, but referenced as fcdata in the code. Correcting the case resolved the error. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your file structure organized and consistent. This will save you a lot of headaches and help prevent these types of errors in the future. And there you have it. By checking your file paths, verifying module existence, and ensuring proper casing, you should be able to resolve the cannot find module error. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and remember to keep your code clean and organized.